One word to describe Arch, I would say growing for sure. The growth that has occurred has been great, and it's allowed us to really open up not only the amount of customers we can serve, but the types of customers we can serve, and it allows us to have access to a greater pool of resources. My name is Tom Conley. I am a manufacturing engineer here at Arch Medical Seabrook. I'm also the engineering lead on new products that we run through here. The best part of my day, when we are able to take a product all the way to the finish line, we're able to put everything together, put the finishing touches on a product, and ship it out the door. That's always a really good day. I'm able to work on products that I know are making a difference in people's lives, and I'm able to enjoy coming to work every day.